The Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) don tok say dem wan engage the youth for the area where dem dey operate to help dem renovate public properties than to give dem money for hand. Managing Director of the Commission, Samuel Ogbuku, tok dis one for one tok section with tori pipo for Port Harcourt. E con tok say NDDC dey make plans to introduce the NDDC Communal Property and Public Property Innovation Scheme for youth for the area. E con still chook mouth on how the commission wan take handle erosion matter and say dem go start work once dem get the budget. The Managing Director con tok say na im job for now to make sure say the commission get good and new name and to also rebrand the youths for the area.
Another problem people fail to understand about why most projects in NDDC are also stalled too. You must understand that it has to do with the budgeting process. So for us, we do not want to take on too many of these projects. We have decided to select a few which we want to concentrate on and finish. And one of those few projects we want to concentrate on and finish is the construction of the Burukri or Krika road and bridge. They have assured us that if the funds are made available, they can finish that project in 2 years' time. We are introducing the NDDC Communal Property and Public Property Renovation Scheme. Yes, all of us frown at desilting. A lot of people feel that the desilting is not a developmental project. I believe those who conceived the idea, they conceived it in good conscience, because with the region, with the flood we're having and everything, most of our canals, our creeks need to be desilted.
From Port Harcourt, Carter Ojesoli, TMC TV News.